Okay, Bobby, here's your new millet. Down here. Come on down. You got your guava juice. I know he likes guava juice. And he's got his Mission Impossible to climb here. Bobby, look. Look, it's a brand new millet. Oh yeah, he's funny. Look. Here we go. Come on down, Bobby. I'm putting your millet on top of your stairway to heaven. There we go. And special salted seed. Special salted seed from Poland. I know you like these. Yeah, you love these, don't you? Special salted seed from Poland. Yeah. Yeah, you like salty things, don't you? Okay. So, I got your millet on your stairway. Why don't you come down here and have a nice bath? Come here. Come here. Be nice. Come on, don't be so temperamental. You're being temperamental again. Oh. Well. Oh, you're all over the place, aren't you? No, I got millet down here for you. Down here. Come on down. You can have your bath and do your... Oh, what did you do to your feather? You get a feather sticking out. Bobby. Talk. Come on. You're a good talker. Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Pretty bird. Come on. You can talk. You're on stage. You're too shy. Okay. Well, anyways. Here, let's put this on. I got this Harrison Hot Springs on my birthday. I like this. Okay. So I just called the dentist and made an appointment. I got that done. Come on down, Bobby. The petunias always work out well, but the dahlias didn't work out very well. These petunias are doing okay. There's a claw off of my what do you call that plant? Am I losing my mind? What do you call that plant? It's a nice day today. Okay, so this starts with a P. This is called potentilla. I know these are called potentillas. They're starting to return. And lots of grasshoppers here. Cedar is returning. And the portulacas are doing well. For some reason I can't remember the name of that plant. These are doing well. And the portulacas, according to Sharon, they will grow anywhere. Yeah, they're doing okay. And the peach tree, the deer have started to eat it. I can see that. They've been nibbling away here. But I got it on sale. I got my peach tree on sale. And if the apricot tree has done well here, then the peach tree should do well here. As long as the deer don't attack it. And the alder is really growing. That wasn't even here in the street view on Google Earth. I think that picture on Google Earth was 10 years ago. And the deer travel through here all the time. I thought I'd plant a few chives in here because deer don't like chives, but they didn't take off. And there's the rest of the garden. Yeah, Jack and the Beanstalk. So, it's about 28 degrees here. That would be a hot day in Calgary. Here it's cool. 28 degrees in Kamloops, that's a cool day. Here's a puzzle I did of the backyard from last year. Got that at London Drugs, put it together. Where are you? Oh, you got your feathers sticking out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay, I'm gonna get you another sunflower seed. Special salted sunflower seed. You want it? You want it? Well, you're gonna have to come down and get it. No, I'm putting it on my shoulder. See? Now you gotta come down and get it. Yeah. Come on. Don't be that way. I'm not putting you away. I'm not caging you up. Come on, you gotta come out. You gotta have your bath and climb your stairway to heaven. Come here. Bobby? Why are you being like this? Okay, here. Here's your sunflower seed. I know you like these special salted sunflower seeds from Poland. Whoop. There you go. Okay. There you go. Okay. You're funny. You're gonna be 9. You're gonna be 9 years old. Okay. So you got millet there and you got your fountain. Okay. I want you to do the Mission Impossible. Oh, I think he's gonna have his bath. Go have your bath. Come on, go have your bath. Go have your bath, Bobby. Bobby. All right. Leave me alone. I'll leave you alone. I'll leave you alone. You do what you want to do. No, I know, I could tell. I could tell. You wanted to come back on my hand, didn't you? Yeah. Yeah. But have your bath, Bobby. Come on. Come on, have your bath. Have your bath. This is your bath. Come on. Next month it's going to be too cold for you. Do it now. Before time is up. Okay, you want your millet, I think. Climb the stairway to heaven. He's funny. September the 8th, 2023. As we all say when we get up in the morning, Morning. John Cleese. John Cleese. Morning. Faulty Towers. Yeah, he's happy. Okay. Well, c'est la vie. How do you say that in bird language? That's French. C'est la vie. Or la vida loca in Espanol. Oh, he's having a good day. That's good. Yeah. Well, you know it's going to be cold next month. This is September the 8th. October the 8th is going to be much colder, you know. You're not going to be able to come out here. You're going to be cooped up. Like all of us. Cooped up. You're going to be cooped up. But now you're outside. So you take advantage of it. I did. And life is going to be changing in the next year. I know that for a fact. I'm going to be 60 years old in a few months. Wow. And year 9 in Conyer years, 18 in human years. It's time to grow up, right? Well, I don't want to grow up. I'm Peter Pan. That's funny, huh? Well, anyways, you know what? We're only what we make of it, right? Right? And there's no magpies or crows around, which is good. Don't worry about it. Don't worry, be happy. Right? Right. Well, the last thing I have to say is that too many people out there in the world are provincialized in their thinking patterns, and they don't go outside of the box. I go outside of the box. Do you know why I go outside of the box, Bobby? Because I have to accommodate everybody else. And it's a brave new world. It's a brave new world, Bobby. Nobody knows what's around the corner. But I don't leave anything to chance. I don't leave anything to chance. I just make all the right moves. And still, that's not good enough. Hey, Bobby. Good night.